Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio and card number 3, or watercolor painting for Christmas card number 3. So, this one I am going to do sort of the pine tree landscape again, only I'm going to do it in sort of a monochromatic blue, sort of a nighttime wintry scene. And here you can see the sheet music I was using was super faint, so I really watered down the watercolor ground, and you can see how it's kind of soaking in places on the background. I really should try using that in the traditional way. Like straight without water. I think that might be necessary to make sure it covers well, and test it out and see what I think. Maybe on something stiff like wood or something. I don't know. We'll give it a try one of these days. So I just did this sky and some land, and now I'm going to add, I have a little bit of Payne's Gray there. I'm going to add a little bit of that to make these kind of dark, and we're just going to put in some quick little tree impressions. Of course, we have to have a bigger one in the foreground, right? This paintbrush holds more water, holds more fluid, so I swapped. Alright, so I'm let that dry again, and I'm going to pull out the white gouache, and we're going to lay down some snow. It's hard to control that palette knife sometimes. I'm not that skilled at it. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just clumps of snow clinging to the pine trees, right? So this was a quick little piece, and I can't wait for you to see the next step where I turn them into Christmas cards. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.